Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add and edit text in Premiere Pro. At first, open your project and go to Graphic Workplace at the top. Now select Type tool from the toolbar. Click anywhere on your video program and start typing your text. Once your text appears, go to Essential Graphic panel to edit it. Here you can change font, color and assignment and position of your text. You can add even shadow, stroke or background to make it stand out. To animate your text, open the Effect Control panel. Under Text, go to Transform and use keyframe on position or opacity to make your text slide or fade in smooth. And that's how you can add and edit text easily in Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.